Okay, the cold start is great, but listen to it after the cold start dies off and the idle. You're gonna hear a very annoying, sound that you just never want to hear again. Drives fine. Sounds great, honestly. I put the windows down. You guys already know what it sounds like. But in case you don't.
Dude, that's crazy loud.
I just went over something metal. I thought that was gonna mess up the exhaust. Ooh. Pretty good. A lot of people on the internet hate how it sounds, but personally, my car, my choice to make it this loud, I think it sounds pretty good. Like, the pubs are great. But then you're in an idle and check this out. Just try to listen to this. Just listen. You hear that little rattling? Pisses me off, dude. It's the most annoying sound. If you have an exhaust that rattles, I know you know how I feel, but if you have a Z with a Tome and it rattles, it's just like a different type of rattle where you feel it and you hear it in the cabin and you can hear it outside the car, and it makes the idle of the car just sound horrible. So today we're gonna fix that. We are going to indeed fix it. And honestly, that little like vibration you guys hear, it's like 20% as to how bad it gets. The more I drive the car, the worse it gets. Kind of hear it from here as well. That is the exhaust hitting the mid subframe, I think you call it, but it's not normal. But today's method is gonna work 100%, so we're gonna make the best sounding Nissan. This car already sounds amazing, but fixing this is gonna make it just sound that, not even sound better, but just actually drivable. Roast me down below, please, just roast me. But look at all this pollen, dude. Oh my gosh, that looks so disgusting. I'm gonna call myself out. Filthy, absolutely just filthy, disgusting, and I will admit it is 100% my fault.
You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you. I'll miss you if you go.
Oof, but before you continue watching, I got you guys again. You're watching the video, you have not left a like. Please leave a like on this video, helps out the channel so much. Not even my videos, your other favorite YouTubers as well.
I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
Single-handedly the dumbest thing I've ever done. Oh gosh, alright, we gotta stop. Dude, also this car, I'm gonna expose myself again. Look at this car is color shifting between green and red. Check this out. Oh, that's all Poland. And the idle for this car is what a car should sound like. Yes, the drone is pretty bad on the highway as well. It is deep, it is loud, but it's just an exhaust note. There's no ding, 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 ding. Like, there's none of that. Ooh, truck. You know, in elementary school or middle school or even high school, how the cool kids in the school sit in the back of the bus and usually make fun of cars that are behind them or next to them? I'm being bullied right now. I had this laying around for like 2 weeks. Gotta try it. Whew. We about to make the Tommy 2.0. There we go. This is how characters in GT open the door. This is for the neighbors. Yo, imagine pulling up to a car meet and seeing The Tomei 2.0. Honestly, would you guys cop? I think I would. Low key. Stick it up a notch. It's a little notch. Also, if you're wondering why I'm doing this, I don't know. Before we actually fix the actual problem. But this is gonna be... Yo, this might fix it. This might fix it. My calculations are correct. We can put this in here. Right there. Make it stay. We gotta make it stay. Get a couple rags. This should do. Oof. Yes. I want a little more up though. So we gotta stuff it a little more. A little more maybe. There we go. Right there. Shoo! Look at that, bro. Look at that 3D effect it has. Like, yes, sir. Dude, when your exhaust is 3D, like mine, let me know. Look at that Tomei 2.0 kind of mess. 1,000 likes, we'll go out in public like this. 1,000 likes. We'll make it happen. But were you able to do the take out the gnats and all that?
Yeah, I'm doing that right now. I had a question, but I don't. Oh, you're not going to use the cruise control on that thing, are you?
No.
Okay, I can shut off something on it that'll let it do burnouts and stuff.
I'll do burnouts. Yeah, let me do burnouts. Honestly, I might just make this like the early morning cold start fixer. Yes, no, maybe so. Let's see. It actually muffles it. It's actually coming out of here. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. This is getting hot. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's so much louder. So let's say my car's at 100% loud. That brought it down to a good like 65%. Whenever I gotta wake up in the morning, that's what I'm using, especially if it's early. I like my neighbors. They probably don't like me, but I like them. This is why you don't lower your car. Lower your car, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Can't even get under my own car. Yo, when you lift your car like this, you don't realize how thick your tires are and how big. Look at this Tomei, dude. When you look at it like face to face, it's so much different from looking at it from like up here like regular. God dang, that thing is. I could have just woke up, you know, the daily after nap time cuddles. Well, not cuddles, but oh my goodness. Nah, I was just walking and I felt something in my shoe. There's a freaking rock in here, bro. This is what happens when you're saving up for a GTR. How are we gonna fix the rattling / bad noise coming from the exhaust hitting? You guys see that right there? That's what the exhaust is hitting, so we gotta push everything up a little bit and away from that. You're gonna need clamps, and not necessarily these small ones. You're gonna need the medium ones as well as the big ones. You can see this is dented, but that's not bad at all compared to other Tomei owners. Kind of get the scheme of things. You're gonna start clamping onto like another clamp you're gonna run through and start mounting it onto places like these. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description to where you can get this whole package, which you can get literally every single size. Super helpful. Let's do this, Leroy Jake. Alright, so we gotta find, that's probably 10 mil. It's gonna go up like that. There you go. It's basically a DIY hanger, but if I remember last time we clamped this to the, I forgot what this is called. Through here. Over here. Yeah, push it up. Okay, so right now I'm trying to put this through here. As you can see, I put it through this one, and I'm trying to catch them back here, as you guys can see right there. But it's kind of difficult. I don't know if this is gonna reach, so I might get the bigger one, but then the bigger one might not get clamped enough to where the whole exhaust can move up a little bit. So what we're trying to do, we're trying to move it up so it doesn't hit the mid cross member anymore. Because you see there's like a little bit of playroom. So moving it up, it's also gonna not allow this to hit the ground as much. Ended up using the bigger hanger. So far working, honestly. Let's go. I still got a little bit to go, so it's really gonna push it up all the way. Also, we still got this hanger, which is the one that pushes it up the most. So we're good so far. We're good.
You see how we went up $3 aftermarket? Let's go.
You guys remember before, I could move the exhaust, right? Up and down easily. Check this out. This is how it should have been since the beginning. I'm putting all my pressure right there. The exhaust is not Like I am like, even my leg, dude. This thing does not move at all. Let's go. Look at that, bro. Oh my gosh. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. We should hear a regular, normal 21st century exhaust sound. Look at the keys. Yes. Normal exhaust sound. Okay, day 2 of testing. Cold start. I feel like the car also just sounds better. That actually sounds better. Yes, sir. Put the AC on. That changes the sound. Wow. Right now it would start rattling. That is settled down, and I turn the AC on. Yo, you gotta try this. Yes, sir. Alright, if you guys, I'm gonna end it up right here. If you have never done this, the car's beeping. If your exhaust rattles at all, or you have a Tome and it rattles or whatever it is, I hope this video helped you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a big thumbs up as always, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Hasta luego. Hope you have a great weekend or a great day, beautiful morning, beautiful afternoon. I love you guys.